Okay, so we have to head to San Sebastian.
Sebastian Basque Country.
Barcelona.
No, Real
No,
Sociedad.
Barcelona.
No, Real Sociedad.
Real
Sebastian.
Sociedad.
San Sebastian.
Real- All right.
Oh, Cabechi.
To the left. To the left.
Turn the left.
It's right. It's good.
Ah.
What a nice beach, mate. It's beautiful.
Really beautiful.
Great.
Nice, man.
Zen azkanteak.
That's where we went.
Gainera neska lapurtzen dizkigute.
Ya te digo.
Go straight.
But it's good wet, isn't it?
Right way.
Nice wet.
Callahan! Come here!
Well, it's been building up inside of me for I don't know how long. I don't know why, but I keep thinking something's bound to go. She looks in my eyes, makes me realize that she's
Oh my god. Shark. Shark! 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 Come on here! Come on! Get back in the water! Come on! Callahan! Get back in the water! Get back in the water! Callahan! No! Callahan! No! Revenge. The shark is die. The shark is die. The shark is die. Where you, shark? Where you? Where you? The shark is die. Where you? Fucking shark.
We'll revenge you, Callahan!
Callahan. Date sense. Date sense.
This is Callahan's. The shark will smell it.
Locals only.